Brain-B presents DPT, Diagnostic Power Test, the dedicated software for torque and power road test. This test is absolutely necessary to know the engine efficiency of any vehicle complying with the EOBD protocol requirements. The software application can be supported by diagnostic tools of fast Brain-B line, such as ST6000, FBox and FastBox. Thanks to its Windows system interface, the analysis can be immediately displayed on any PC. Now we'll effect a trial test on a Ford Focus model.
Power losses are caused most of the time by problems on a GR valve. We will now compare the torque power curve obtained before with the one obtained after the reparation by relating the two curves. In this way, we'll prove to the customer the effectiveness of the reparation by printing the result. For this test, the DPT software has been installed on the FBox scan tool and has been connected to the laptop through the Bluetooth module BT100.
To start the test, you have to connect FBox scan tool to the ECU of the vehicle. FBox immediately connects with the PC system. Put the vehicle out of gear and start the engine. Select the vehicle and EOBD model from Brain-B database Fastnet and insert the plate registration number and data. Name the test in that way to be able to recall the name at any moment. Then enter the exact vehicle weight, test gear ratio and RPM parameter. Now you can start the power test. In the first test phase, run the vehicle at constant speed by engaging the gear ratio that has been entered as a test parameter. The software processes the first data to check gear ratio and informs the user when this first test phase is completed. Now decelerate in order to reduce the engine RPM number until the value indicated by the software is reached. The software program then warns the user through an acoustic signal when such parameter has been reached. Now accelerate by increasing the RPM number up to a maximum value that has been previously set. The software program then warns the user when the acceleration phase is completed. Now disengage the gear ratio by putting the vehicle out of gear and let the vehicle coast down. The vehicle slowly decelerates until the value indicated by the software is reached. DPT warns now the user that the test is ended. Now the obtained data can be analysed in order to see where possible interventions are needed. We will compare the curve obtained before the repair intervention with the one that had just been obtained. In this way, it's possible to notice differences in gains between engine performances. It's possible to confirm and file the test and print the two curves in order to prove the vehicle performance improvement due to the repair intervention.